Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And we are seeing a lot of dry weather through much of the middle part of the country, but we're seeing a weather pattern evolve here where there's an area of low pressure stuck from the main flow in the middle of the country, and that could keep showers around for several days, at least a couple of showers. And we're talking about this area of low pressure here. So as it continues to spin here over the next couple of days, there will be some showers stretching from the central plains up through the northern plains. Meanwhile, from really the deep south all the way up through the northeast, lots of quiet weather expected through the weekend. Let's take you around the country. Some showers around, a few of them from Minneapolis to Des Moines as temperatures still peak in the 80s. That's the one thing. It is a warm weather pattern across the United States. Outside of the areas where it is raining, if it's dry, temperatures are warmer than normal. So 86 in Grand Rapids, 82 in Detroit, near 80 in Cleveland, just above 80 in Chicago. We got near 80 in Pittsburgh, but well into the 80s to near 90 from Cincinnati to Louisville. And look at you, Memphis, Nashville, well, I should say Nashville, Memphis, St. Louis, all peaking in the low 90s for today. So we have a cold front that's eventually going to come through. So warm front coming through, cold front comes behind it, right? So with the warm front kind of just to our north, we're in the 80s today and tomorrow. And then we got the cool front knocking those temperatures down a smidge here for Friday and Saturday. And then we're right back up near 90 here for the end of the weekend and early next week. We'll see if we can get that warm because some of our models overdoing a little bit with the warmth, at least from what I'm seeing. So 90 might be far-fetched, Detroit, but we'll see. 80 for you in Chicago by the end of the week, and Sunday at least in the low 80s, the way it looks right now. Now, again, where it's raining, you got cooler than normal temperatures, but where it's dry, it's warm. But DC is one of those places where it's raining because there's an area of low pressure off the East Coast. So we've seen some showers coming in from DC to Charlotte and all the way down to Charleston. Savannah, you're just outside of those showers, 84 degrees, 86 in Atlanta. We're 90 in New Orleans, 94 in Dallas. And it's still pretty warm but showery down the Florida Peninsula. Temperatures, once we get the rain out of here tomorrow, we'll get back into the 80s. And it looks like we're staying in the 80s until probably early next week with another front. In Fort Lauderdale, we got mostly cloudy skies this morning. We got a front that is stalled over southern Florida. So when you get daytime heating, the showers and storms start popping up. We're going to see that already as early as late morning, and then through the afternoon, the showers become more widespread, and it should be a pretty heavy rain that falls in South Florida as we head into the evening. So that keeps our temperatures in the mid-80s. Once that stationary front starts to move on out, it's going to take some days to do that. We'll see those temperatures getting into the upper 80s Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. All right, that is your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope that everyone has a terrific rest of the week. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.